I think. Tell me about your project and relevant coursework in brief.
Yeah, I have done some project related to the Barilla, in which I have done FIFO designing of the FIFO and the APP protocol, and related to the traffic light controller, which was a simple one related to the sequence detector only. And there were project over SB also, FIFO verification of FIFO and verification of APP protocol there, and simple default verification using the SP.
Okay. So I want to know about what is the difference between latch and flip-flop.
Yeah, sure. If we go for the ledge, it is a level sensitive circuit for the ledge. But if you go for the flip flop, it is a it just to give the output over the edge. So and in latch, if we talk about the hardware also, so for the hardware needed to design the latch, it is a very small compared to the flip flop, because here we need some extra circuit, and yeah, in that way we can there are many more differences between those.
Okay. What are the different type of Verilog modeling styles in Verilog?
Yeah, there is a behavioral modeling style and the and the RTL also, and data flow modeling also here, and and switch level also. So we do not go for the switch that much. I do not go in depth with that, and structural also.
Okay. So how many type of delay in Verilog? You know about any delay?
Yeah, I think you are talking about the intra and the inter delay in that constant you are asking. Yeah. So when we the delay between the two statements, we take it as a inter delay, and the intra delay is between the before the assigning we get some delay. So whenever there is a change in the input, in the value, whenever there will be change, so in intra delay do not consider that. So it will assign the value.
Actually, I'm going to write something in chat. So you have to tell me that what is intra and what is.
Okay.
Okay. Did you get it?
Yes.
Yeah.
I got it.
So what is intra and which one is intra and which one is intra delay?
First,
what is the difference between them and how they assign the value?
Okay, so the first one is inter and the second one is intra delay. If I give some, there will be any change in B from, so it will be reflected to the A in between these delay. But in the second one, if there will be any change in B, so it will not reflect to the A if it changes in between these 5 nanoseconds.
So what is the meaning of delay if it is just if B is assigned to A and just in first one? Actually, I'm not getting what are you trying to say.
The A is equal to B, A will get the value of B after the 5 nano, it assign the value to the A after the 5 nanosecond. The same with the after it wait for the 5 A evaluate C will get the value of A after 5 nanosecond, and here what happen, A is equal to has 5B, so the B whatever value is from the time I started, so it get the value of B, but assignment will be happen after the 5 nanosecond. So there will be any change of in B, so it will not reflected at A, it will get the value which was just first taken. But in the above, in the first begin and end, so if there is any change in between these 5 nanosecond, so it will be reflected to the A there.
So specific about like do you know about the what is the race condition in Verilog?
Yeah, sure. Like race around condition happen when we don't know what will be the output. It can like it is like racing around 0 and 1, like in
This is the
a
generated.
1 clock period.
Yeah.
What? In a 1 clock period, it changing its value rapidly, like 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So like it's not stable enough to give this one single value. Like
Okay.
there
Okay.
can be a
So how do you have any circuit and do you know any is a code for any circuit where there is a race around condition?
yeah, like in latches there can the condition there can be a race around condition in a circuit, in a code we can say it like when we miss the else part, uh, so that time there can be a race around condition, maybe like
Okay. Okay. So you also have done project on AVP and HB, na?
not AHB. I just do project on a APB protocol only.
APB protocol. So what is the APB protocol?
So APB protocol is a basic protocol. Uh, Advanced peripheral protocol, as its name suggests. So it just help to communicate between a circuit to the external devices, external devices. So it's just um, a
External
protocol.
device. APB protocol used for the communicate between the external devices which is outside the associate.
What are you saying? Can you repeat it again?
Actually, you are saying that APB protocol used for the communicating with the external devices.
APB protocol is a bus protocol, so it just help to communicate between two different components. From the external devices, we are communicating with the use of the UART and all. So in that way, it's a help to make the communication between them.
Actually, I heard about that APB is used for the communicate between the different IPs of inside the SoC, not the outside component.
APB.
Yeah.
We can call it in that way also. I do not go in that like IPs and all. So these are all also external
Actually, IPs is
codes there.
not a
So,
rocket science. IPs refers to a different model which is inside the like we have timer and we have the CPU, we have the controller.
yeah. I actually sorry. I just mean to say that only like different components. We can call it
Yeah,
simply.
yeah. So if you like for communicating on the SoC, we use the APP protocol. Okay, okay. So APP like sorry. So what is the specification of APP protocol? You should tell me.
So specification means you are saying.
Like what is how it will different from HB and XI? How can it be differentiate that this is APB protocol, this is AHB protocol, and this is the AXI protocol? What specific characteristics it have, so we know about that. Are you getting my question?